Hello everyone, my name is Novalinda Batuk. Today I will present a segment by Miss Carla. About my topic is the impact of globalization on language. Globalization makes people ask for language, especially English, more often. Technology and social media help this language spread quickly. This makes it easier for us to learn and communicate with people from other countries. But there is also a negative effect. Local languages are less and many people mislearn it when they speak. If this continues, our cultural identity can become weaker. So, we need balance. We should learn foreign language, but we must also keep asking and protecting our national and local language. Okay everyone, thank you for watching my video and I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.